My Little Tiger.
He is a farmer.
He is a farmer.
He works hard.
He works hard.
She is a cook.
She is a cook.
She is nice.
She is nice.
He is a firefighter.
He is a firefighter.
He is brave.
He is brave.
She is a doctor.
She is a doctor.
She is kind.
She is kind.
He is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
He is gentle.
He is gentle.
She is a police officer.
She is a police officer.
She is good.
She is good.
He is a scientist.
He is a scientist.
He is smart.
He is smart.
Good job.
This is a circle.
This is a circle.
Find the circle.
Can you find a circle?
This is a square.
This is a square.
Can you find the square?
Can you find a square?
This is a triangle.
This is a triangle.
Can you find the triangle?
Can you find the triangle?
This is a heart.
This is a heart.
Can you find the heart?
Can you find the heart?
This is a diamond.
This is a diamond.
Can you find the diamond?
Can you find the diamond?
This is a star.
This is a star.
Can you find the star?
Can you find a star?
You got it!
What color is this?
What color is this?
It is red.
It is red.
What color is this?
What color is this?
It is orange.
It is orange.
What color is this?
What color is this?
It is yellow.
It is yellow.
What color is this?
What color is this?
It is green.
It is green.
What color is this?
What color is this?
It is blue.
It is blue.
What color is this?
What color is this?
It is brown.
It is brown.
What color is this?
What color is this?
It is black.
It is black.
What color is this?
What color is this?
It is white.
It is white.
That's excellent. Let's go.
Let's go.
I meet a soccer player.
I meet a soccer player.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. Wow!
Let's go.
Let's go.
I meet a climber.